Welcome to the ZeeZone webinar tutorial for beginners. This tutorial is intended for anyone who is not too familiar with hosting a webinar or working with WebEx from Cisco. This tool will take you through the various features of the program, and in no time you'll be hosting webinars with ease. All ZeeZone webinars are started by ZeeZone. You will be sent an email similar to this one before your meeting starts. The important pieces here are your meeting number, your meeting password, the link to the online webinar, and the telephone number for the teleconference which accompanies it. Simply click on the link to begin. This is the Cisco WebEx Meeting Center. The participants are located in this section of the screen. Areas for chatting are shown here. The recorder is here at the bottom, and this is your main meeting area. Of course, at top is the familiar file edit bar that we see in most programs, and different functionalities are here, which we'll go over in a moment. We've already moved the host to be the person giving the webinar. Now the presenter is still ZeeZone in this case, as you can see by the little green and blue ball. Simply drag the ball to make someone else the presenter, and click Yes. As you can see, we have the full functionality of the webinar. Now most of us are going to be presenting a PowerPoint document, which is the easiest way to give a webinar online. To do so, simply click Present a Document. Then find the file on your machine. In a moment, this will load in the main viewing area. Simply click on your presentation and use the arrow keys to begin presenting as you have planned. Most of us are going to want to record our presentations, and it is highly encouraged. In this top section here are all the main interactive portions of WebEx. Record is all the way to the right, and the recorder will toggle on at the bottom. Simply hit the red record button to record, and you'll receive a file after the webinar which you can use on your website, in emails, newsletters, and any other way to promote your business. As you can see here, participants and chat are already selected, which is why they're visible on the right. You can also choose to add video for those who have web cameras if you want to see the faces you're speaking to. You can add notes to the webinar or to the PowerPoint, and again, record is found on the right. To chat with participants, type in this box. Now you can have these notes go to all participants or to specific people if you don't want to interrupt the flow of the meeting when answering a specific question. At the top are different components you may want to use, such as switching from sharing a PowerPoint document to sharing an application, your desktop, a whiteboard, or something on the web. You also have ways to change the view, your audio options, changing participant options, various components of the meeting, and of course help. We encourage you to view these before the meeting so you're well versed in all the functionality of WebEx. As you can see, our PowerPoint document has its own tab called Webinar for Beginners. You can also share a whiteboard with participants and use these tools here to draw on it, add text to point to specific sections, to change to a laser pointer, to draw various shapes and arrows, and so on. Now these functions here are also available for your PowerPoint. So if you have notes to add, you can add them right here. And to clear, simply click Clear My Annotations. And to jump back to the main screen, click Quick Start. And you can switch from sharing your document to sharing an application or your desktop. You'll also find Record This Meeting here and the area in which you can invite other attendees, either by email, by phone, or through an SMS message. As you can see so far, WebEx has several areas to access the same information. Even here you can switch to share your desktop as you just saw on the Quick Start tab. And again, for specific questions about the features not covered in this tutorial, simply click Help and Cisco WebEx Meeting Center Help. This will open a new window covering all the various areas of Cisco's WebEx. If you have any further questions or issues with a particular function, please contact your ZeeZone representative immediately. It's always best to get into the Meeting Center 45 to 60 minutes before the start of your webinar to ensure that it's going smoothly, that all the participants are here, and that you understand the various functionalities. Thank you for watching this tutorial.